All my life I've been acting like a fool, walking in circles not knowing what to do, taking drugs, being a fuck, what a mug. Maybe I just needed a hug, needed someone to love, but now I am above all the pain. Put me in the fast lane, they think I'm insane, but I've tapped into my brain. Yeah, I love the ring, washed out every stain. Ryan Jones is the name, I'm coming up in the game. I've been trying to tame me, now I'm flying, can you blame me? I'm flying, no denying, no more crying. I'm a lion, I built myself with an iron, cause the stress on the line, I'm the truth I was denying. But now I'm really flying, yeah, I'm really trying. You see, the fool was a tool in a swimming pool. Didn't have a clue, what am I gonna do? Keep it true, call me super fucking glue. Sticky Vicky, suck the clicky, that's a mental tippy. I'm a mental hippie, so watch out for the snippy snapper. Ryan the rapper, I'm an adapter, call me the raptor. I'm speed agility, I got the ability to catch ya. Coming at ya, coming up so fast, I'm having a blast. So I'll bring up even faster. I know I'm gonna be the master. My life was a disaster. I gave him a plaster. Now we chillin' like a rasta. Loving the tuner and the pasta. Tune, loony tune, lunatic. Call me Slick Rick, cause I'm moving too quick. Yeah, I'm moving even quicker. Stop the booze in the liquor. I'm working on my figure. My brain is getting bigger. Yeah, I'll call me Tigger. Can't stop the hip hop. I'm bouncing when I'm announcing the rise of the guy who used to live a bargain side. Got plenty of fight. Yeah, got plenty of mind. Yeah, go, whoa, yo. Now I ain't taking it light. Gonna do this right, I'm gonna hold the mic tight. I got the bar and the bite, ooh, and I'm a new high. 1 month to rhyme and right. Oh my God, can you believe my sight? I can't believe what I'm seeing. Am I dreaming? I don't care because I'm beaming. I ain't leaving. You best believe it, but believe in what I'm achieving. Got so many things to say, I can do it anyway. I'm gonna spray it anyway. Spray it, say it any day, anytime, any rhyme, any line. This rap skin's gonna be mine. I'm not looking for the gram, bro. My new man, yo, bro, just say no. Get a new game on the road, they think I've lost it, but I'm okay though. Get out my brain, yo, can't stop my brain flow. Get out the way, yo, I used to feel so low. Gonna let you all know, my ego is dead, my soul is worth it. No time to sleep in, just get out of bed, use your head. I'm writing all this stuff, what's it in on my bed, I ain't stopping till I'm dead. It's come from the heart, and the thoughts in my head. My life is like a book, and it's all being read. It's slow, now I know I read the book, it's time it was said. Yo. They said slow and steady, wins the race, say fast and now pick up the pace, still lasting heavy, now lick up the taste, cause shine so bright, they call me too big. Fell so low, they said what a waste, knowing it race, watch your shoelace, cause you don't, cause you don't wanna trip, you don't wanna slip, you do wanna shake up from the hip, it's hip to the hop, it's hop to the hip, take my shit to the shop, put my shop on the shit, yeah I'm skipping the scene, but I'm living the dream, kept reliving my lessons, now I'm passing the test, yes, no more stress, this crazy game called a chess, yo. No more running round the streets scoring, cause we up in the sky, yeah, we're soaring. You see my 9 to 5, it got boring. Demons stay up my face and start flooring. See man straight in your face when you're yawning. Take a cold shower every morning. Yo. See, I used to be a crack clown. It's matter I'm breaking my back now. Say what I want or back down. Life is best, call it smackdown. Ryan Jones on the attack now. Don't care if you back when they say it how. We don't prove man, I'm proud of a frown. Don't care if it's round, just take the sit down. Watch as I flip this track around. My brain is lit now, listen to that sound. I'm standing tall, I say it loud, I'm proud. All my life I've been far by a cloud. Ryan, I'm scrapping, screaming back now. But this is the end, so put my pen down. I know I messed up, I know I don't play right. My first score, it's just a case of it. So what's happening? It's Ryan Jones, Ryan the Lion. Oh, I'm coming.
Well done, buddy. Louise, what did you think of Ryan's performance?
Well, Ryan the Lion. I thought your performance and the way you conducted yourself, you know, you proper got into it and like moved your body and stuff. I like that. I think what I want to challenge you with is choosing a subject that means something to you and then creating your performance around that subject. Make it mean something a bit more rather than loving the tuna on the pasta. Do you know what I mean? Like use your lyrics to your advantage. Use your own personal experience. I mean, I know you've probably got personal experience with tuna and pasta, but we've got to feel it. We want to be excited about what you're rapping about, you know. But I like the use of the different rhythms and stuff. You know, you were faster and slower and things like that. And I know you freestyle a lot of it. But yeah, for next week, I'd love you to just kind of pick a subject, concentrate on it, and make us feel something, because that's what a performance is all about. But well done.
Kelly, what did you think?
Yeah, I loved the energy, I loved the enthusiasm, but like Louise, I'd like a little bit more structure to the rap. It felt like it just felt like there was a lot of like random rhymes in there. There was no kind of story, and I think that's what we were missing, was like the story. And then all that energy and enthusiasm can then be put in, you know, and it can really convey that story across. Another thing as well is maybe look at putting like a hook line in there so that it keeps your attention. So something that is repetitive, that sticks in somebody's mind so that they'll remember the song. Apart from that, I thought it was great. Well done.
Yeah, Ryan, I mean, to be honest, you went a bit wild in that then. You went really, really wild. So, as I'm aware of, this is very new to you, this is very fresh. And what tends to happen with a lot of rappers I've seen in the past is they do think it's all about how fast you can go and things like that. It's not. It's about controlling yourself. Obviously, you were there to share a story, and we want to hear that story. So, what I would advise from here on out is to prepare yourself better with these tracks. Prepare yourself with the videos better. You know, write the words down, get it all written down, get it all focused on, instead of just guessing it on the go. Because when it comes to like an audition for something like this, you want to be at your best. You don't want to just be chucking it there and just going, oh, this is what I got and this is it. It's not professional, you know. So, although I enjoyed what you just done to a certain extent, you still need to put a lot more effort in. So just be aware of what you're trying to do. Don't feel like you've got to go blah, 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 really fast. It's not about that. Concentrate on what you're doing with your words, write it down and get it all put into shape properly. And then come back on the camera and show us what you got. But other than that, well done, buddy.